What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So nakita ko na meron palang bagong performance ang SB19. Kasama po ang nag-iisang Glock 9 ng Pilipinas. So nag-perform sila ng Kalakal. Nare-ako tong Kalakal. Ang ganda ng visuals nito sa music video. Isa sa mga paborito kong music videos ng SB19. Sorry may sipon ako, so parang ngongo ako ng konti, no? So anyway, let's jump right into the video. If bago kayo dito, mag-subscribe kayo. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And pasensya na sa sa video quality ng i-react natin. Actually, okay yung quality niya, kaso nilapatan ko lang muna siya ng nag-overlay ako ng image na parang stripes para iwas tayo sa blocked. Okay lang ma-copyright, okay? Okay lang ma-copyright. Kahit kunin nila lahat ng pera nakikitain dyan sa video na yan, it's okay. Basta ma-upload ko lang, okay? Makita nyo lang yung reaction ko, okay? I don't mind. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Daming tao. Grabe. Ito talang SB19, always swagger talaga to sila eh. Hey. Kung marunong kayo magbisaya, alam niyo yung word na panuway, okay? Hindi ko na lang i-translate sa inyo. Basta i-search yun na lang yung panuway.
Nakarinig ka na ba ng kwan? Yung nagrap ang isang di makabasag pinggan. Boses niya'y anghel pakinggan. Mga salita'y nakikipagsundukan. Kakaiba, di makakaila. Kakainin mo lahat ng mga salita. Masarap, di ba? Di ka magsasaw. Lunukin mo na lang, tama na ang kuda.
Binura sinara pero di mo pa rin kaya. Isubo marana wala dinala kami. Nagsimula lahat kumaya.
Hey, hey. Bro, this is so lit. Let's go. That was so fire. Diba? Kasabayan mo yung nag-iisang Glock 9 magpapahuli ka ba? Diba? But I'm so impressed with Justin, no? I'm so impressed with how he delivered that rap part, no? Yung delivery niya, ang galing ng flow, no? Nagulat ako kay Justin. I've heard the music video, no? If hindi ako nagkakamali, Kalakal yung na-react natin, no? The last music video, maybe months ago na-react natin. Na-impress ako, di ba sabi ko, this is way beyond my expectation na talagang nag-rap silang lahat, no? I know, merong rapper, merong dancer, may mga main na ganun, but this was really, it left me with quite an impression, no? But now that I've seen it and heard it live, bro, let's go. Malapit na si Glock 9 Let's go. Woo. Let's go.
Bawat tunog na pinipinta, ding hindi mo to maiinda. Parang patalim na tinara, kaming pinadana, kadamang-dama mo na. Dala namin pagkamayang parating, tulad ng isang pinagbigyan hiling. Makikita na lamang ang iyong sarili na sumasang-ayong. Kahit ilang ulit pang dumaang panahon, namin nga lulong, di makukulong sa kahon. Na parang kulong,
everybody's so into it.
Kami lamang at wala ng iba pa. Itaya mo na lahat.
Double time, let's go. That was so clean. Diba? This was one of my dream or wish for the group na makolab nila, like something like once at least in the past that I've said na sana makapag-collab sila ng mga magagaling na rap artist dito sa Pilipinas. And hindi talaga basta-basta din yung naging kakolab nila ngayon. It's Glock 9, everybody. Ang galing.
Bakit ba ayaw nyo pang aminin? Alam ko namang isa ka rin sa palihim na gusto rin makatikim sa iyahan. You can't stop this, we're gonna get it. Cause we're born to take it on mo yan. Pag kami laging iba.
I love this part. Everybody's just so into it. Ang galing. Woo! Sheesh. Uy, ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing, man. And you can see na hindi lang yung SB19 yung nag-e-enjoy, but also Glock 9 was really into it, was really enjoying the song, no? It's actually a banger. Kaya nga nagtataka ako bakit hindi pa to nagtitrend, no? Ang galing, man. Ang galing. I love it. No, I want to see a full sing and dance performance, or at least dance performance, kasi diba rap parts and everything like that, so it's going to be quite challenging para sa grupo, no? You have that rap part and then you dance, but I know that they can do it. But don't get me wrong, but I would love to really watch them or see them dance to this banger. Okay, so hopefully sa 2025 ngayong taon, this will hit the charts, no? So anyway, yeah. Na sobrang hype ako doon. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Peace.